leave the area. Come on, sir, leave the area. 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 Let's go.
Pussy! You guys feel good about your fucking ass? I didn't even hurt pussy! You want to serve your community? Get the fuck up! Get the fuck up! It ain't working!
Pass and arrest him. Right here, this one right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Get him. Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Give us your hands! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Give me a sec. I got it. Stop resisting! You're under arrest! Stop resisting! You're under arrest! Stop resisting! You're under arrest! Stop resisting!
I am not resisting.
Stop resisting, sir! Stop fighting the officers!
I am not fighting the officers.
Yep, I got it. Hey, do a quick pat down on him before we hand him off. Or do a quick pat down before we hand him off. The weapons in here? Yeah. Yeah. Why are you standing there, man? Ready? Stand up. 1, 2, 3, go.